This creamy hamburger noodle bake is the kind of dinner that disappears off the table in minutes. Let me show you how to make it. All right, today we're going to make a hamburger noodle bake casserole. In the dish is going to have ground beef that is going to be smothered in a nice tomato sauce. It's also going to have a nice creamy layer with cream cheese, sour cream, egg noodles, and then we're going to layer the whole top with cheddar cheese. So it is simple, it's easy, budget friendly. Let's get into it. We begin by browning up a pound of ground beef, and while that hamburger is browning up, I'm going to get an empty mixing bowl and add a softened block of cream cheese. I then am going to add in my sour cream, and don't forget all of my measurements, and the complete recipe is in the video description for you. So I'm going to add in that sour cream here. Next, I'm going to add in my tomato sauce. I'm going to add in 2 cans. Here's 1 can, here is the second can. And then I'm going to just bring everything together with a whisk. We want to whisk all of these ingredients in the mixing bowl very, very well. And this is going to become the sauce to bring this whole casserole, easy casserole dinner together here. So now I'm going to start to prep a 9 by 13 baking dish. And then I'm going to take my cooked egg noodles and toss them in the bottom of that baking dish. I'm going to take my kitchen claws and make sure I just kind of spread those noodles out so it's somewhat even. In comes my browned ground beef mixture, and I'm going to use those claws again. I'm going to kind of just toss the ground beef with the noodles very, very gently, just so there's kind of a nice mix and the casserole is somewhat even before we add in our sauce. So next does come the sauce. We're going to drape that sauce all over the top of the noodles and the ground beef, and we're going to get it as even as possible. So here I am pouring it into the baking dish, and in a moment I'm going to grab my claws here. I'm going to get it all out of this bowl. So if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so that I can see a little bit more of you. That would be absolutely awesome. Awesome sauce, right? Okay, so now we're going to get those kitchen claws back, and I'm going to mix the cheese mixture, tomato and cheese mixture, in with the egg noodles and that ground beef. So I want to kind of mix it in very, very well, so it's going to cook very, very even, right, as a casserole. So I'm just going to take a few minutes here and make sure that that sauce is well incorporated in and below and on top of the noodles and that ground beef. Then, before we put it in the oven, I am going to layer the top with cheddar cheese. And if you like cheese as much as we like cheese, I cover it pretty well. So there we go. And then we're going to cover the casserole with tin foil here, because we want to cook this covered. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least 30 minutes. And then you're going to check to see if that cheese is melted. Hey friends, all right, the hamburger noodle bake is all complete. I did give it a few minutes to set up bringing it out of the oven, but you can see just how beautiful the cheese melted on top. So we've got that nice cream cheese, sour cream mixture with the tomato sauce, with the ground beef. I mean, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. I'm going to go in and get a big hunk here so that we can test drive that. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, does that ever look good? All marinated together there in the oven. Tasty, tasty. Might as well get the rest of this, right? Ooh, it smells delicious. I love that. I've had other recipes where the sour cream and the cream cheese are mixed into a sauce with a noodle type of a casserole, and that combination always is a dead winner. Let's try this out. Savory, comforting, definitely 100%. Nice blend of the cheeses, the cheddar cheese, the hamburger, the egg noodles. I mean, it's just a win, right? Very simple to put together, so remember that, and very economical. It's going to feed an army right here. So listen, I'm going to see you in the next one. Take care.